1. Mindset matters. Explore the entrepreneurial mindset, including traits like resilience, adaptability, creativity, and risk-taking. Understand the importance of maintaining a positive attitude, learning from failures, and staying motivated through challenges. 2. Identifying opportunities. Learn how to spot gaps in the market or identify unmet needs that present opportunities for business ventures. Explore techniques for brainstorming business ideas and evaluating their feasibility and potential for success. 3. Market research. Understand the importance of thorough market research in understanding your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. Learn how to conduct market research effectively using a combination of primary and secondary research methods. 4. Business planning. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your business vision, mission, goals, target market, unique value proposition, and revenue model. Understand the components of a business plan, including market analysis, competitive analysis, marketing strategy, operations plan, and financial projections. 5. Building your brand. Learn how to establish a strong brand identity that reflects your values, resonates with your target audience, and sets you apart from competitors. Explore branding strategies, including logo design, brand messaging, visual identity, and brand storytelling. 6. Financial management. Develop basic financial literacy skills, including understanding financial statements, budgeting, cash flow management, pricing strategies, and profitability analysis. Learn how to create financial projections and manage business finances effectively to ensure sustainable growth and profitability. 7. Legal and regulatory considerations. Navigate the legal and regulatory requirements for starting and operating a business, including business registration, permits, licenses, taxes, and compliance with industry-specific regulations. Understand the importance of intellectual property protection, contracts, liability issues, and other legal considerations for mitigating risks and protecting your business interests. 8. Marketing and sales. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to reach your target audience, build brand awareness, and drive customer engagement and sales. Explore different marketing channels and tactics, including digital marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and traditional advertising. 9. Building a team. Learn how to hire, onboard, and manage employees, contractors, or collaborators who share your vision and contribute to your business's success. Understand the importance of building a strong company culture, fostering teamwork and collaboration, and providing ongoing training and development opportunities for your team. 10. Adaptability and resilience. Embrace failure as a natural part of the entrepreneurial journey and learn from setbacks and mistakes to iterate and improve your business. Develop resilience and adaptability skills to navigate challenges, pivot when necessary, and seize new opportunities for growth and innovation. 11. Networking and partnerships. Leverage relationships with mentors, peers, industry experts, suppliers, and potential partners to gain valuable insights, advice, support, and opportunities for collaboration. Learn effective networking strategies for building professional relationships, expanding your professional network, and accessing resources and opportunities to support your business goals. 12. Scaling your business. Develop strategies for scaling your business operations, whether through organic growth, expansion into new markets, franchising, licensing, or strategic partnerships. Understand the challenges and opportunities associated with scaling a business, including managing increased demand, scaling operations, maintaining quality and customer satisfaction, and securing additional funding or investment capital. By providing in-depth insights and practical guidance on these essential topics, Entrepreneurship Demystified equips beginners with the knowledge and tools they need to navigate the entrepreneurial journey with confidence and success. That concludes the video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe to stay updated on future content.